Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about what are some of the key concepts that you really got to understand if you really want to launch a successful coaching business online in 2024. There's a load of opportunity out there. If you understand some of the basic concepts, you're going to be ahead of the pack by a considerable amount. And also, if you learn to listen to the right resources online, you can avoid some of the people that are giving some bad advice online. Got a load of experience in this area. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. I'm coming back, folks. So you're looking to build a coaching business online and you're looking for some advice on the basic things that you really need to understand. Now, the great news is that you now in 2024, you don't have to be geo confined. You don't have to be in a high populated area to build an effective coaching business. Utilizing one-to-one coaching platforms, utilizing Zoom, and also offering group coaching sessions. The possibilities are quite amazing, but you do have to understand some of the basic concepts to really be able to achieve this. And number one is not to choosing too wide a category. It's a fundamental mistake I've seen a lot of people make. The money's in the niche, as far as I'm concerned. There are certain categories that appeal to coaching: health and fitness, spiritual coaching, business coaching, and these are broad categories. And unless you've got a major audience in these areas, you're going to find it very difficult to get traction. Now, if you can find a niche um, in those broad categories and also find a real direct need, um, there's this concept in the bootstrap startup world of a pain relief or a vitamin are aspirational. It's best to go with pain relief. And if you can find a niche where there's a real pain, a driver that people are looking for, your coaching business is going to get more traction. You're going to get your first batch of coaching clients much easier than if you go with the vitamin, the aspirational area, in my opinion. You can be successful there, don't get me wrong. I'm just giving you advice based on experience. Those that are dealing with a real pain and urgency, you're going to get results. I think online, there was obviously a lot of social platforms. I think the free platforms that excite me, where you can promote your knowledge and your coaching ability to attract clients that will sign up to have coaching sessions with you. The free platforms that excite me the most is TikTok, YouTube, and LinkedIn. I think depending on the type of coaching you're doing and the kind of niche that you're trying to attract, these free platforms really give you the ability for possible clients to see what you're offering. Do they get the right feeling? Will they be a good match to you? I think all three of these platforms really offer the ability, utilizing video, posting articles, building community on these platforms. I also think you need a good website platform. Um, I believe in WordPress because of the digital ownership, the digital sovereignty that you get with the platform, and the just enormous flexibility and access to enormous resources in setting up marketing automation. There are SaaS solutions as well, like Kajabi, Podio. There's a lot of SaaS platforms, but the reality is that there would be only about half a dozen that I personally would recommend. And I've just named two of the leading ones, but I would stay with WordPress, and with the right setup, you can get up and running really quite quickly. I've written an article, you'll find the link in the video description, that goes into all the options, all the platforms, all the things you need to understand that can help you really launch a successful coaching business in 2024. And you'll find it really a fantastic resource. And if you want a one-to-one consultation to me, it's on the same website, on the WP-Tonic website. You can book a chat with me and we can go through any of the things. You got any questions you want to ask, I'll be more than happy to try and help you out. If you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That really encourages me to make more of these videos. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.